Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we got some Kia genuine accessories, and there's something in there. It's gray, just like the car. It's a spoiler. Spoiler alert. It's so funny. Anyways, we are gonna change the spoiler on the Kia Stinger. Right over here. Hell yeah, that's gonna be a lot of fun. Allegedly, this is easy to do, but not easy at the same time. There is a lot of parts that need to come off because we are literally replacing the top part of the spoiler. This whole thing comes out, all of it, and we're gonna replace it with the new one. Yeah.
Okay, so let's take it off.
Here we go. Okay, let's disconnect the battery and all the other accessories that we need and start disassembling it. All right, here we go. Ready then, sir? Here's your 10 millimeter for the...
So you see the fancy battery with water?
No, it's not water. That's to vent the gases. Vent the gases. Come on. There you go. Yeah, keep going, keep going. And disconnect very carefully. Just lift it up. You will not shock yourself. There goes the power. And now just put something over on top of the terminal. Put something soft. Put that piece of paper on top of the terminal. Hold up. Yeah, put it on top and then rest it on top. You can just rest it on top.
Put some here.
Yeah. That's it.
That's it.
Done. Easy peasy. Next step.
Leave it for some time and then we'll...
See? Done. Just like that.
Okay, now.
Ta-da! Okay. Car has no power.
It comes with a book.
It comes with a book too, eh?
With a book.
Okay, guys, we're gonna assemble some Lego here.
Yeah, no, not bad from Kia.
Yo,
Comes with
Kia
a
makes
book.
some serious, holy instructions.
Yeah,
Oh my god. Okay, guys, we are gonna take a little second to to read the Lego instructions book for the Kia. Okay, let's be right back. Okay, guys, so the first step to do this is to remove all of the trim on the window, rear glass. So we're gonna use our fancy dandy red MotoMaster trim removal kit. We're gonna get all of these out. That's gonna be a lot of fun. Step by step. Here we go. Let's get this disassembled. Guys, when you're performing surgery on your car, make sure you bring tools to open up the tools required to do the surgery on your car. Otherwise, there's gonna be a lot of swearing, a lot of struggling. Let's go, блядь, get that bitch open. It's okay, my hands are tools. Okay, all right. Technical difficulties, guys. Sorry, we'll be right back. 1 second, hold up. Okay, so we got the first part out. Get your clips right there. Green ones. Bam, easy peasy. And then from here, green clips, very straightforward. Try not to break any. And then you get your Phillips screws, 2 of them. Got one right there, one right there. Green clip, green, green. It's supposed to go there. Very straightforward. Just comes out like this. 2 Phillips, and now these parts. These ones have to come out like that. Okay, guys. Then you remove
I think they break in because they're cold.
Yeah, that's also true because it's cold.
I think
so. This part comes out. Oh, that sounded good. Nice. Nothing broken.
No,
so this part comes out.
Wow.
First, you have to unclip it this way, and then this clip comes out this way, and then the whole assembly just basically comes out. Pretty straightforward. Then you get some white clips. One white clip goes there, one goes there. As you guys can see, just make sure you put it back inside the actual trim piece itself. Very straightforward. And then yeah, and then you got your 2 screws, Phillips. As we can see, hold up, Phillips. One Phillips right there, one Phillips right there. We already removed. Get those 2 out. Very straightforward. Next, you got to take out the little hand holder. Whatever you want to call it for the trunk. 4 pry tools required. One there, one there, one there, one there, and then it just goes boop, comes right out. Easy.
You need to disconnect this garbage.
What?
Oh yeah.
Disconnect. What?
The button.
Oh my god. Okay, guys, we're gonna get deep into it now. Here we go. Yo. Oh, disconnect the button? Oh, good luck.
Yeah.
Good luck with that. Guys, we got enough pry tools to disassemble the whole entire car. Yo. One of the most difficult things in removing plastic trim is not knowing if you've broken it or not until you've taken it off. So no matter how you pry, it feels like it's going, but most of the time you have no idea. See? It looks super loose. Apparently it's supposed to come out just like that. Bro. Yeah, there's probably clips probably up top. That is a lot of white clips, guys. Holy crap. And all of them are in boom, boom. Just, this is an exorbitant amount of clips. You feel like you're gonna break it, but in reality, just pull harder and they will come out.
Right, so now.
Wow, that is a lot of wires, let's just say. Okay, and now, next.
So these two will come out. These two.
Oh, these two on the side. Torx T40?
Yep.
Bro, uh-oh. Okay guys, after you remove the top part, you need T40 screws to remove both of those on each side.
Now we start
Get your
removing
T40.
10 mil. What
And then we will begin removing 10 mils to get the top spoiler off. Here we go.
7 of them.
7 of them?
1, 2, 3, 4,
Uh-huh.
5, 6, and 7.
Excellent. Okay, 7. Here we go.
1.
10 millimeters.
It's not really very
Guys,
stuck in,
if you
to be honest.
unscrew this screw, make sure you grab it, because if you don't grab it and it falls down into the actual frame of the car, good game. Do not allow these ones to fall off, otherwise you're screwed. Very good. Hell yeah. Okay, and the last one.
No.
Do not drop that one. Hey, all good. Like a pro, like a surgeon. Dr. Kola in the house, guys. All right, that was pretty straightforward.
Right, so, go
10
down
mils
a bit.
out, 7 of them. Is it bring it down slowly? Yeah.
Oh yeah, you got no power.
Yeah, no power. Make sure you don't.
Okay,
No.
so.
And then this has to come off.
Yeah, but.
All right,
See?
that's it. Time to use the glue gun. Here we go.
Yep.
Yep, time to use the glue gun. Alrighty then, we've applied the glue gun onto the back of the spoiler. It's already ready to come off. It's a little bit loose, but now we're just gonna wait for this solution to work its magic, and then we will start removing this spoiler. It will just go right up like that. Easy peasy. Yeah, it's clearly stuck, so this is gonna be a little bit fun. Oh boy. Okay guys, the spoiler is slowly coming off, but it's making these weird noises, and it's making me cringe, because it sounds like glass, but in reality, it is just everything coming apart. As you can see, the glue is separating from the frame of the car. Here we go. We're getting there, slowly but surely, little by little. We're gonna do side by side, and then eventually it's gonna go hop. All right, let's do it. Alrighty then, guys, with a little bit of swearing and a little bit of pulling, and some good old grease and glue remover, it has come off. So you got your 7 points. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Boom. You got all your nasty glue. Yep. And that's it. Let's get all the new glue on and old glue off. Gotta get all of that removed. Ugh. Yucky, yucky. Alright, easy. Very, very easy, right? Yeah. Those pry tools kind of helped, but eventually it was just all hand power. Okay guys, Now we're just gonna remove the glue. Fastest way to do it is just take a rag, some Goo Gone, and some elbow grease and just rub one out.
That's what she said.
That's what she said. But yeah, watch this, see? Easy peasy. Get it nice and warm and it will come off just like that. See, it's coming off. Not bad. Not bad, not bad. Okay, let's get this last piece off. And then we're gonna take a little break and then get ready to apply the new spoiler. Almost, come on, come on, come on, come on. And this piece is off, boom. That's it, we pretty much got all of it off. Just gonna clean it up. Have a nice clean surface. Beautiful. And then we're gonna put the new one in. Hell yeah. Let's go. Okay guys, and just like that, the surface for the new spoiler is nice and clean. Bueno. Si bueno, yes. Number one. Okay. Let's take a little 5-10 minute break and then we're gonna prep the spoiler for installation. Here we go. Okay, guys, so this was the old boring one and this is the cool new GT style one. This is the cool one. This is for the big boys. That was for the boring boys, but this is for the cool ones.
Okay.
All right.
Okay.
What? Hold the box? Okay, sir, no problem. We will hold the box.
Oh,
That's it.
Did you take out some pieces you had to take out?
Yes, no?
No.
Which ones?
There's something has to come out from this.
No.
These things. Cups.
Which ones?
You have to remove the cups.
Oh, for the water. Yes, yes, makes sense. Okay. Interesting. One right there. Yeah, guys, don't forget to put the caps for the drainage system in between them. That's super important. Okay, the most important part of the new spoiler comes pre-taped with red double-sided tape. And now you guys are gonna get the ultimate peel. Come on, come on. Oh, there it goes. Boom. That's it. Goodbye, red tape. Okay, gentlemen, if you would like to do the honors of putting on the spoiler on the Kia Stinger, here we go. You only get one shot.
Yeah, you only get one shot.
One opportunity.
Okay.
Then I should probably help, eh?
Yeah.
Okay, guys, be right back.
Okay.
The spoiler is on, and we are gonna put back the 10 millimeters. Nice and tight, beautiful.
I'll go easy for now.
Yep. Ta-da! Okay. You guys can't see it yet, but power tools are the best thing ever. All right, let's finish this up. Guys, we got the T40s back in. We got that piece back in. Now we're gonna reinstall everything little by little, just going pretty much backwards of removal. Very straightforward, easy peasy. And then we're gonna plug that sucker in. Yes, boom, 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 easy. Looking good. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, obviously the car is not fully on, but bam, there we go. Kia Stinger with the new spoiler. Looks good. All right, Slava, what do you think? Looks dope. We haven't finished it fully yet, because we still gotta do one more little project, but bam, that's how you replace the spoiler on a Kia Stinger. Let's go, guys. Okay, I'll see y'all in the next video. We are gonna move on to the next project of the Kia Stinger. Peace, guys. Hoorah! Good job, guys.